Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're doing exactly what you asked for. We've gone through all the sources to find one thing: the confirmed active Star Pets promo codes for 2025.
Yep.
We're just cutting straight to it, no fluff.
Yeah.
We've got the codes, the rewards, and exactly how to use them. This is basically your shortcut to all the free stuff in the game right now.
And before we even list the first code, there's a really crucial first step, the platform.
Oh, right, that point.
It's all through the Starheads account. You have to be logged into your Starheads profile.
And then where do you go from there?
It's pretty simple. You just, click your profile icon, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section for promo codes. That's the spot.
Okay, so Starhead's profile, then promo codes. Got it. Let's dive in then. First up are the codes that give you that instant satisfaction.
The free pets.
Exactly, the free pet rewards. We found 4 active codes, and they all do pretty much the same thing. They give you a free random pet spin right away.
And it's interesting that there are 4 of them that do the same thing. The sources suggest this is really just a strategy to get new players an immediate win.
A quick dopamine hit to keep them playing. Makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, I'll list these off pretty quickly, so get ready to type. First one is 1 My Pet.
Okay.
Then we have 2 Sienna Star.
Got it.
The third one is 3 Lily. And the last one of this group is just 4 Cheese.
Just cheese. So, to be clear, that's 4 codes, 4 separate chances at a new pet, instantly.
Right, 4 spins. Now let's shift gears a little. The next codes are, well, they're more about future value.
Yeah, this is where it gets more strategic, I think. We're moving away from instant items and into financial bonuses.
This is the valuable Robux code we found.
That's the one. The code is 5 Key Catcher.
Okay, Key Catcher. What does it do?
So this one unlocks a 10% extra Robux coin top-up bonus. The key thing to remember is that this isn't free Robux now.
Right.
It means anytime you do decide to buy Robux in the future, you'll automatically get 10% more for your money.
So if you ever plan on spending, this code is actually way more valuable than a single pet spin.
Substantially more, yeah.
And that brings us to the last code, which is maybe the most interesting one. This is where you have to make a choice.
A very deliberate choice.
The code is 6 Cookie. When you enter this one, it doesn't just give you a reward, it gives you a prompt.
It forces you to weigh, immediate fun versus long-term efficiency.
So what are the options?
You can either choose the instant random pet spin.
The same reward as the first 4 codes.
Exactly. Or you can choose that 10% extra Robux top-up bonus. The same bonus you get from Key Catcher.
So you have to pick one, the pet or the future discount.
You have to commit.
Okay, so let's recap. We've got 6 codes. 4 that give you instant random pet spins, 1 that guarantees you a 10% bonus on all future Robux purchases.
And one final one, Cookie, that makes you choose between those 2 reward types.
Which really leaves you with a final thought to mull over before you use that last one.
Yeah, it really makes you ask yourself, what kind of player are you? Is that immediate thrill of a random pet spin worth more to you than a guaranteed 10% discount on every single Robux purchase you make from now on?
That's a great question.
Because that bonus adds up over time, a lot. The pet, well, it's just a single roll of the dice. So you really have to think about where the true value is for your play style before you click confirm.